The provision of basic needs for all Fijians. Basic needs, I mean shelter, water, food, and then we will look at accessibility and of course their livelihood as well. That's the first essential task. 2, we are looking at restoration of essential services, the lifelines. Again, electricity, water, ports, jetties, airfields, roading, communications, health, education. Restoration of essential services. That's the second major essential task. And 3 is the economic recovery and livelihood. Well, I've mentioned those 3. Concurrently, we are doing information collation and doing damage assessment. That will be our priority for the first 30 days during this declaration period. After that 30 days, and then we will look at the medium to long-term recovery and rehabilitation plan. That's what we're doing right now, and I'm just about to mobilize all the assets and the people, again looking at providing the basic needs for all Fijians, restoration of essential services, and bringing the economy back to normalcy immediately. Thank you.